Jacaranda mimosifolia information. Jacaranda mimosifolia, commonly known as the jacaranda or blue jacaranda, is a species of flowering plant in the family Bignoniaceae. It is native to South America, particularly Brazil, but has been widely planted in other parts of the world, including Australia, South Africa, and the United States. The jacaranda is a deciduous tree that can grow up to 20 meters, 65 feet, tall, with a spread of up to 15 meters, 50 feet. It has a wide, spreading canopy and a trunk that can reach up to 2 meters, 6.5 feet, in diameter. The bark is grayish-brown and smooth when young, but becomes rough and fissured with age. The leaves are bipinnate, meaning they are divided into small leaflets that are themselves divided into even smaller leaflets. The individual leaflets are ovate to oblong in shape and up to 5 centimeters, 2 inches, long. The tree produces large clusters of bright purple-blue flowers in the spring and early summer. The flowers are trumpet-shaped and up to 5 centimeters, 2 inches, long. Jacarandas are popular ornamental trees in many parts of the world, prized for their attractive foliage and stunning displays of flowers. They prefer well-drained soil and full sun, but can tolerate some shade. They are also relatively drought-tolerant once established. The tree's wood is hard and durable, and has been used in the past for furniture, flooring, and other purposes.